in combat. We're doing a gun review today.
Another one?
Yeah. About the Combat 665. What? Probably. Don't worry, that's some dogs. Where'd it go? Aww. Oh, she just has a lot of energy. Tootie. Names? We have a dog. This is a dog named Tootie. Yeah, because I'm at his house, and it's like, and this another dog named Tootie's so alive. Has a live amount of energy.
It's like 8. Oh,
dude, it's taken forever for it to give me a map.
It's 8:08 in the morning.
She loves. Oh yes. Oh, look at her dance. She was just dancing. She was dancing. Wasn't she dancing? She was dancing. Okay, so I'm just joining a match, guys. And so we are on the free-for-all streets. Everyone an enemy. Watch your back. So I should watch my back. I wonder how that show's going.
What?
It says watch your back. So it's telling me I need to start watching the show Watch Your Back.
It's actually going really bad.
How bad is it?
The scale of 1 to 10 is like a 3.
Yes, I just killed this guy.
Did you get first blood?
I didn't kill that guy. He killed me.
Did you get first blood?
He's evil. Yeah. I was first blood.
First
Fresh
blood.
blood.
And
I caught
gotta
fresh.
let Tootie out.
What?
Gotta let Tootie out.
Go where?
Outside.
Wait. Won't you run away? What?
No.
Did she have like a claw on her?
Yeah.
Come on, where is everybody? Yes. Oh my god, I had a way better scope, but then I just died. I had like a way better scope and someone just knifed me, even though my scope is like totally OP.
Dude, you have like 50 recordings
I know.
of this.
Actually, I only have 11. 12. It's my
Your C has 12.
well, I just like to make
12
videos. I don't usually upload my videos. I just like to make them.
This is 12 we can people.
Like it takes me a long time to find a good video, so I'm making all these videos, and I'm gonna just decide out the ones I like and the ones I don't. So don't
He
just
never likes any, so
what?
he doesn't like a lot.
Yeah, I don't like a lot of videos I make. I have to make it perfect. What? Someone who's hitting me? Oh, it was him. No. That guy was evil, probably. That guy probably was cursed with an evil spell when he was like a child. About addiction to killing me. About addiction to killing someone named Ben.
What's your name?
My name's Stevie.
So Suzak.
My name is Stevie.
What happened in your mouth?
I own an RV.
What level are you?
Level 13. I mean, bleh. No, level 10. No, level 9.
Yeah, you're in the map.
I am?
Yeah.
Is number 1 Hakes?
Yep. Yes, Hakes.
Yep. And I have 5. Oh, man. I'm in second place.
Yep.
Who was I just killed by? Oh, I wasn't killed by you. Come on. Dude, face me like a man. What? That guy killed me. No. my god, this guy's... No, now I'm in 5th place. Now I'm in 5th place, Jacob.
Well, I'm in last. So don't complain.
I'm in 6th now.
Don't hate.
I'm 1 kill away from him. 2 kills away from him. And I'm in 6th place. How many kills do you have?
I have 2. Just killed you.
No, who killed me? Oh, it was him. Good shot, bro. But I'm gonna kill you next time.
Sniping you.
You're sniping me?
I was.
But did you kill me?
Yeah.
You did?
Oh, you died.
Yes, I just got another kill.
Got another kill.
I'm not sure, and this weapon's not that bad of a weapon, but it's not that great of a weapon. Kill.
Must be sniping.
Yeah, it's your brother.
Don't care.
Well, your dad was the first person up, probably.
Yeah.
And then I was, because I woke up, or your mom probably was. Because she probably woke up my dad doing all that stuff. Oh man, I died again. I have vowed that I will never die again in this last minute.
No, I'm gonna kill you.
Someone's seriously right here. Yeah, kill you. I'm healing.
Did you just kill Zeki?
I'm in 3rd place. I'm in 3rd place.
I'm in 9th place.
I'm in 4th now. No.
Okay.
No, I just died. No.
Headshot.
Oh man, I was disconnected. Wow, great. Wow, that was the greatest moment of my life. Well guys, thank you guys for watching.